Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Microsoft Office click-to-run service high CPU usage in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I'll guide you to the resolution. First of all, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to Apps on the list on the left-hand side and select Apps and Features in the right pane. Now scroll down to the Microsoft Office app or Microsoft 365, whichever you have on your system. Click on these three dots corresponding to it and select Modify. It will open an application like this. Select either Quick Repair or Online Repair and then click on Repair to repair the client. If this helps, well and good. If not, then you can simply disable the Microsoft Office click-to-run service. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. Type the command services.msc and hit enter to open the Service Manager window. In the Service Manager window, the list has been created alphabetically. Scroll down to Microsoft and find the Microsoft Click-to-Run service. This one. Double click on it to open the settings. Change the startup type to disabled. Click on apply and then on OK. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.